Welcome back to Bike Update, the place where we break down the newest and most talked about machines in the motorcycle world. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Triumph Bonneville T120, a motorcycle that blends old-school charm with modern engineering in a way few bikes can match. If you're a fan of classic lines, refined performance, and British motorcycling heritage, this one deserves your full attention. Design and craftsmanship. The 2025 Bonneville T120 continues Triumph's tradition of stunning craftsmanship. At first glance, the bike stays true to its classic DNA: sweeping fenders, a sculpted tank, dual clocks, and the unmistakable Bonneville profile. Triumph enhances the 2025 edition with richer paint finishes, more refined badging, and subtle updates that give the bike a slightly more premium presence. The chrome detailing remains a centerpiece, gleaming across the exhausts, mirrors, and highlights. While the design feels nostalgic, it's supported by thoroughly modern build materials and a frame engineered for rigidity and balance. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Bonneville T120 is Triumph's signature 1,200 cubic centimeters high-torque parallel twin engine, an absolute cornerstone of the bike's personality. The 2025 model continues delivering deep, smooth power with its signature low-end grunt and warm, classic exhaust note. Power delivery remains comfortably linear, making it accessible for new riders while still satisfying enthusiasts who appreciate responsive acceleration. Triumph's tuning maintains strong mid-range punch, perfect for relaxed cruising, city commuting, and spirited weekend rides alike. Ride quality and handling. One of the standout traits of the T120 has always been its approachable and confidence-inspiring ride, and the 2025 version strengthens that reputation. Thanks to a well-balanced chassis, updated suspension tuning, and
smooth throttle response, the bike feels composed at all speeds. The low seat height keeps riders comfortable, and the neutral ergonomics support everything from short errands to full-day journeys. Despite its classic looks, the handling is modern, light in low-speed maneuvers and stable on open highways. Technology and features. Triumph equips the 2025 T120 with an understated but effective suite of modern technology. Features include selectable riding modes, traction control, ABS, and a responsive ride-by-wire system that subtly enhances safety without compromising the bike's vintage character. A classic-looking dual-gauge cluster integrates a discrete digital display for essential info like trip data, fuel range, and settings. There's also optional heated grips, USB charging, and Triumph's accessory line for customizing storage and comfort. Comfort and everyday practicality. Although the Bonneville T120 leans heavily into retro styling, its comfort is firmly rooted in modern engineering. The seat shape and padding offer long-distance support, and the suspension smooths out most road imperfections with ease. The engine's calm demeanor in city traffic, combined with predictable braking and light clutch action, makes it a practical choice for daily riding. For touring-minded riders, the T120 is more than capable with optional luggage and wind protection. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. Triumph's 1,200 cubic centimeters twin may deliver strong performance, but it also maintains respectable fuel efficiency for its size. The 2025 update focuses on reliability and ease of ownership, with long service intervals and a reputation for low-maintenance headaches. This combination of performance and practicality is one of the reasons the T120 remains a favorite among riders seeking a dependable, stylish everyday motorcycle. Who it's for. The 2025 Triumph Bonneville T120 is a perfect match for riders who value classic aesthetics but want modern capability. It appeals to beginners who want something forgiving yet premium, as well as experienced riders who appreciate its heritage and balanced performance. Whether you're cruising the city, rolling through countryside backroads, or simply enjoying a relaxed weekend ride, the T120 offers a timeless experience that never feels outdated. Conclusion. The 2025 Triumph Bonneville T120 stands as a reminder that motorcycles don't need extreme specs or flashy electronics to be great. Sometimes, a machine built with character, craftsmanship, and thoughtful engineering is all you need. Thank you for watching Bike Update. If you enjoy deep dives into the latest bikes, be sure to check out our other breakdowns. Until next time, ride safe and stay inspired.